Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Sanjay Lamthamang. Today I bring for you all chicken burger recipe. Please do watch video until then. Follow the ingredients and instruction. Enjoy with your family, friends at your home, or you can use this recipe to at your work. धेरै धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई आज म तपाईँहरू माझमा मैले चिकन बर्गर रेसिपी ल्याएर आएको छु हजुरहरूले यो रेसिपीलाई फलो गरेर आफ्नो घर परिवारसँग पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ साथसाथै आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्र पनि प्रयोग गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त A classic chicken burger recipe juicy, flavorful and perfect for sandwich or wraps will give you both grilled and crispy fried version. Chicken burgers ingredients make about 2 to 3 burger. For the chicken, 2 large chicken breast or 3 to 4 small ounce salt and pepper to taste, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon paprika, 2 to 3 tablespoon oil for grilling. Optional for crispy version, half cup buttermilk or milk plus 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 cup all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon garlic powder. For the burger, 2 or 3 burger buns, lettuce leaves, tomato slice, onion slice, cheese slice optional, sauce, mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup, garlic mayo, spicy mayo or Big Mac sauce. How to make grilled chicken burger. Pound chicken lightly for even thickness. Season with the salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika. Heat pan or grill over medium heat. Cook 4 to 5 minutes per side until golden and internal temperature reaches should be 75 centigrade or 165 Fahrenheit. Crispy fried chicken burger. Marinate chicken in buttermilk. Add seasoning for 1 or 2 hours. Degrease in seasoned flour. Fry in oil at 170 to 175 centigrade, about 340 to 350 Fahrenheit, 6 to 8 minutes until golden and cook throughout. Assemble the burger, toss bun slightly, spread sauce on both sides, add lettuce and tomato. Place chicken patty on the bun, add onion and cheese optional, close with the top bun and serve hot. Tips for perfect burger. For juicier chicken, use thigh instead of breast. Don't overcook chicken, keep it tender. Tossed bun for better texture and flavor. Layer sauce for creamy flavor bite. Variation, spicy chicken burger, add chili powder to for or sauce. Cheese chicken burger, add cheddar cheese, mozzarella or processed cheese. Ginger style burger, extra crispy, spicy coating like a fast food chain. Grilled chicken barbecue burger, brush grilled chicken with a barbecue sauce. Thank you very much everyone. Love you all. Please always do visit my profile. Have a look, many more recipes are there and many more posts are there. If you have any concern, do not hesitate to send to message or comment any of my posts. धेरै धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई जहिले पनि तपाईहरु मेरो प्रोफाइल भिजिट गर्नुहोला र तपाईहरुसँग केही जिज्ञासा रहेमा तपाईले सिधै मलाई मेसेज पठाउन सक्नुहुन्छ साथसाथै मेरो कुनै पनि पोस्टमा तपाईले कमेन्ट गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है त स्वस्थ रहनुस् मस्त रहनुस् व्यस्त रहनुस् जहाँ हुनुहुन्छ खुशीको साथ आफ्नो लाइफलाई जिउनु होला भन्न चाहे मैले सी यू नेक्स्ट इन द भिडियो लभ यू अल चाउ